5:15 right now in the Champlain Valley, and some heavier stuff falling in the Seaway Valley, and in the higher elevations of the Adirondacks looking like a little bit of snow as well. They don't have as much rain in southern Vermont and New Hampshire, but there could be some very dense fog setting up in some of those locations. Roads will be slick, and of course low visibility is a concern as well, so watch out for that. It's all thanks to a cold front that's going to be passing through, prompting the showers this morning, but also picking up our wind as the day goes on and as that passes. Behind it, a little bit of a break. We'll get some sunshine midday, but a new front is on its way. And as that gets closer, we're going to see more and more wind out of that throughout the rest of the afternoon. And once it passes, we're looking at a big cool down into the end of the work week. Today's front, you saw that on our surface map there. It has definitely cooled us off in northern New York. They're in the 30s there, low 40s for the Champlain Valley, and even some mid 40s left in Vermont. But our temperatures will be falling a little bit this morning. You can already see that wind shift, and it is still strong, around 12 miles per hour in Burlington. It's out of the northwest, again, pulling in some of that cooler air for now. But by the afternoon, this southerly wind will return, and our temperatures should stay nice and mild throughout the afternoon despite today's front. That wind will also not only be out of the south, but very, very strong. In northern New York, a wind advisory from 11 to 11 today. That is for the potential that wind sustain near 15 to 25 miles per hour, could gust up near 50 miles per hour. So very, very windy and pretty windy in Vermont as well. But again, it is going to eventually help us warm back up into those mid and upper 40s by the afternoon hours. Some breaks in the clouds. We'll get plenty of sunshine midday, but those showers will be back for later on this afternoon. There's that sunshine midday. Let's move us into this afternoon, and you're finding some scattered showers. Rain in our valleys, maybe a little bit of snow in those mountains. It's going to be scattered, and throughout Thursday morning and into the afternoon, you'll find a couple of those scattered snow showers as well. Some sun in between on Thursday, but temperatures will be falling. We're in the 30s for Thursday, even cooler on Friday. Again, a couple little snow showers are possible. Into the weekend, we've got a little more sunshine, but it's very windy and very cold on Saturday and not much better on Sunday.